All eyes will be on the Free State Stadium on Saturday evening 6 p.m. as Magesi FC, the underdogs, face the might of Mamelodi Sundowns in the highly anticipated Carling Knockout Final. For Magesi, a team newly promoted to the Premier Soccer League (PSL), the stakes couldn't be higher. A victory will secure their first major trophy in top-flight football, but standing in their way are the indomitable Sundowns, widely regarded as the strongest team in South African football. In the build-up to the showdown, both coaches, Clinton Lesson of Magesi and Mangoba Mnisi of Sundowns, expressed a mutual respect for their opponents. However, come match time, all pleasantries will be cast aside. Sundowns head coach Mangoba Mnisi emphasized the importance of respecting every opponent, regardless of their stature. He said, "In football, you always have your short winter blankets," using a metaphor to highlight the need for balance between attack and defense, and further said that you want to score more goals, but something has to give. It's always great to see games where one team scores 7 and the other scores 6, but you have to ensure you win. That's where our rest defense and counter-pressing come into play. Ngitsi also identified key threats from Magesi, particularly forward Wonderboy Makubu and playmaker Giolin Mikowa, and said every time we're in position, we must know where Wonderboy Makubu is. Mikowa, with his offensive positioning, creates a lot of problems, as does Seppo Gakora. We have to manage these threats effectively. For Magesi coach Clinton Lesson, the challenge is akin to taking on the South African national team. He said, "It feels like we're playing Bafana Bafana." On Tuesday, I watched 6 Sundowns players start for Bafana Bafana and a few more on the bench. He pointed to Sundowns' depth and quality, with stars like Marcelo Allende, Lucas Ribeiro, and Peter Shalul adding international pedigree, as if they were South African, they'd probably be in the national team too. While some believe Sundowns players might be fatigued from recent international duties, Lesson dismissed the notion and said, "I disagree. For the past decade, Sundowns have mastered the art of playing every 3 days and they've been winning. We are up against a formidable opponent." Despite the daunting task ahead, Lesson insists his team is ready and said there are some nervous energy, which is normal for a game of this magnitude. Most of these boys have never played in the final before, but they look relaxed and focused. Experienced players like goalkeeper Elvis Chipizizi and defender Limbakani Mzava will play pivotal roles in guiding their less experienced teammates. For Sundowns, this final is another chapter in a legacy of dominance, while for Magesi, it's a chance to script one of the greatest upsets in South African football history. Will Sundowns maintain their imperious form, or will Magesi FC deliver a fairy tale ending? The answers will unfold under the bright lights of the Free State Stadium on Saturday evening. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.